Hi, in this video I will show how to convert EDI files, Edifact EDA file to Excel. You can see on my computer I have a EDA file. I can open it in Notepad just to show you what is inside. It's just it's text-based file, like formatted, or I can open it into EDI viewer. It's a free app. It's showing what is inside EDI file. It's adding field name, and you can see I can see what is inside. And I want to convert this into Excel format. And in order to do this, I will download application from my website. This is my website. To find application, I will click on search and type EDI, EDI, and click on EDI converters. Click on EDI to Excel and click on download button. I'll be recording more videos on EDI files and how to convert them into different formats. And if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. We're waiting for a small file, like 7 megabytes, to be downloaded from Google Cloud. And you can see file has been downloaded. I'll click on it to open. Double click on MSI inside file and click on more info here. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. So I'll just click run anyway to start the installation. Click on next, install. Click on yes and click finish on final screen. And now application has been installed on my computer. I can close this, and you can see I have ED file to Excel shortcut on my desktop. So I can double click on it to open. And conversion is 3 steps process. In step 1, I have to select ED files I want to convert. If I can convert many files, they will be in one Excel as different sheets. So I can click select my ED file, navigate to ED here, select my EDA5, for example, and click on next. There are no conversion options here yet, so I click just next step. And on final step, I click run to start conversion. And it's asking me for name and location of the final file. This name and location is okay, just click save. And you can see file has been saved. Let's go and see file. I don't have Excel on my computer. However, I have and Excel is not required for this conversion. Any like install Office or anything is not required, just that. So I can open it with Excel Mobile. It's free version of Excel that it's just viewer. It's not allowing me to change anything, but you can see what is inside, and I cannot remove these even columns to show it properly. Also, I have a XLS viewer. It's a free app. It's just showing what is inside, but it's showing me like normal name of the columns, and also I can export into different format if I want. But you can see we have converted this EDA file to Excel. And it's a relatively small file. Obviously, if you have a bigger file, you have a bigger amount of records here. But yeah, this is basically it. It's also, I can run this converter from command line if I want to convert, for example, like all files into folder, into separate Excel files or something like this. And I can do that from command line. So yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. Thank you.